Hi everyone, Archana here. Today I would like to share my project, which is a stacked letter, and I have created for my Facebook group Swap, and I hope my partner will like it. So I would like to show you all too what I have created, and I have used beautiful collection by Prima, which is Poetic Rose, and this is really beautiful collection, and I love everything from this collection, the colors and flowers and everything. And if you want to check this collection, it's available at craftycity.com, and let's get started. So I have used lots of goodies I will mention, but these are from my friend Rebecca, who has a Zibet store. I am Mama24, so please check it out. And she sent me design team package long back, and I have saved some of the goodies, and I got a chance to use them on this project. Since I created stacked letter for her design team project too, so I thought this is my second stack letter, so I thought I will use same goodies on this one, and this is pretty shabby chic kind of project. So let's get started. I have used these two really pretty bouquet from Petalu, and Petalu is no more available, but I think AC Moore has the Petalu flowers. So these are the two bouquets on the top, and I have 3 open envelopes, and fourth one is just for decoration purpose. And all the laces and these cute butterflies are from Rebecca, and these pretty cute glittery flowers are from the collection, Poetic Rose collection. And this has a magnetic closure, and on the side I will show you first. Look at these beautiful papers, and each and every envelope I have created using a VR Memory Keepers envelope maker board, punch board. And the ribbon and everything, and this trinket is from Rebecca's store. And we will just open it, and as I said, it has a magnetic closure. And look at these beautiful laces and the flowers. I love these flat type of flowers. They can go easily inside your mini albums or your any flat project, or where you don't want to use any bulky flower but you need some kind of flower, so go for this kind of. And I have some goodies inside, and it closes like that. And then again I have some hidden pockets like here and there. Since I was stacking the envelopes, I didn't stack all the way. I didn't use glue all over on the envelopes back side, so I just use glue on like some edges so I can get that hidden pocket here. So this is like that, and then this one opens like this. And there are some more goodies, and look at these pretty laces and flowers again, and very pretty papers you can see inside and out. So these papers are double-sided, so you can show both sides on such kind of projects like envelopes and all that. So it closes like that, and there is another hidden pocket. I have created one small envelope using same punch board, and I have some goodies in there, and it goes like that here, like that. And then again another envelope opens like that, so you can see beautiful laces and flowers and goodies inside and lovely paper, and it closes like that. And I think there is another hidden pocket right here. You can insert anything in there too. So this is my stacked envelope, and I have used my really tall box underneath. It was from my stash, and I have covered with beautiful paper and laces, and I have used really strong chipboard for a bottom. And when it opens, there is a plenty of space for your goodies. I haven't filled this box yet, but it will be. And there is one journaling spot from the same collection, I'm sorry. And you can create a pocket here too using just glue on 3 sides, and you can insert something there too. So this is my really small, cute, shabby project. I just wanted to show you, and I hope you liked it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.